Hey guys, what's up? It's Anthony here, and this is a little bit of a different video, but this video is only meant to be an update video. I haven't really been making tutorials or my regular videos in a while, and I just wanted to make a video addressing what's going on and what I'm doing with the channel, and what's happening. But yeah, this is just going to be uncut, and I'm going to try to make this as quickly as possible. So anyway, number one, I am going to get back into making tutorials. I've been really busy with my drone business trying to establish everything. So I've been actually editing and working on those videos tonight. I have a lot of cinematic drone videos coming out, a lot. Videos from New York and videos from Arizona. And I also want to tell you guys that Friday, which is going to be the 24th of May, Friday, May 24th, 2019, I'm going to be leaving on a road trip to New York, back home to where I basically came from. I'm going there for a month. I've got some clients that I'm going to do work for, and yeah, I'm basically just going home and enjoying the summer there, escaping the heat of Arizona for a month, and going on a little bit of a road trip. So I'm going to get some cool shots, and yeah, so that's that. I'm really excited for the channel and where it's going and what I'm going to be doing, because there's a lot of content coming out. I've been editing so much. I literally just uploaded 16 videos. So there's a lot coming, believe me. If I'm not making tutorials, there's going to be really cool cinematic drone videos. So definitely stay tuned. Like the videos, comment on them, share them. It helps with the shitty algorithm here on YouTube. But that is my update. I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. More videos to come. Subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. Thanks.